Hey guys, this is Roto, and today, well, let me go ahead and change lanes. Alright, today I'll be talking about my M2. It's been a while. I haven't given you guys any updates, pretty much. I think the last update that you guys got from me, as far as my M2 is concerned, is the RKP Carbon Fiber Roof. And so today, you know, we'll just talk about just the M2 in general. You know, I do have 22,000 miles on it now, and I've used it as pretty much my grand touring car, really. So it's gotten quite a lot of miles for the past few months. It went from, or actually I and my wife, you know, we went to Toronto just driving the M2, and then we also drove all the way to Salt Lake City just using the M2, and it's been great. The M2 hasn't caused me any problems whatsoever. You know, as long as you take good care of it, it also takes good care of you. I've said that multiple times, I think. And you know, BMW cars, they're expensive to repair, but they don't break down all the time, right? And so, you know, there's no rattles or squeaks, nothing when I'm driving. And I'm sure you guys can hear the wind noise or road noise as I'm driving right now in Quad Cities, Illinois, or in Quad Cities, Moline, Illinois, right? And ooh, what happened? Is there an accident or just general guidance from the cops here? There is an accident. All right. So yeah. What else can I say about the car? You know, I know there's also you know, the new M2 competition, and also an upcoming M2 CS, right? And both of them do have the S55 engine, and yeah, they're faster, but to me, the first generation M2 will always be special. And I'm planning to keep this car for a really, really long time. Like, this is my small M car. Gas mileage, let's see, I am averaging around, believe it or not, 22 miles per gallon on the M2, driving city, right? Driving in the city. Oops. Train tracks always slow down. And then hopefully, you know, either next week, I think, I'll have a better camera to film my vlogs. That way I can do like multiple angles, right? I don't have to, like, because I only have my GoPro and my phone, and if I'm using my GoPro, can't really use my phone that much because I use it as my viewport. So future plans for the M2. The M2 is, let's see, it's almost like 3 years old now. I bought it back in, it's a 27 model, but I bought it around November 2016. I took delivery of it in December. So since I have an RKP carbon fiber roof, then I actually want to complete the whole set. So RKP lip, RKP side skirts, RKP spoiler, and then RKP diffuser all the way. And then for the power upgrades, I'll probably go with Dinan with their S2 package. So that's what I'm thinking about. And it's just that, like, I know Steve Dinan is no longer with Dinan, but to me Dinan is just Dinan. Also, I'm out of fuel, so that's why I'm driving all the way to Iowa to get some gas, because gas is a lot more expensive in Illinois now. And I know, you know, if you're from Illinois, you know what I'm talking about. And then let's see what else, what updates other than those, you know, two major ones, completing the RKP set and also doing the Dinan S2 power upgrades. Interior wise, I was gonna get an Oron display, but the company is closing down now, so I guess I'm not gonna buy that one anymore, because I won't get any support, right? And support is important to me. Do I still love the pre-LCI gauges? Absolutely. You know, like I said in previous posts in BeamerFest, Reddit, even like Imager, right? Just having pre-LCI gauges pretty much makes me feel like it's a lot more authentic, I guess. I'm not used to the white backlighting on newer cars. To me, having amber colored gauges has always been like a BMW thing, right? There's other cars that are, there are other manufacturers that are using amber lights, but to me BMW will always be using amber lights. That's just how I see BMWs as I was growing up. No M mirrors, that's fine, don't really care too much about that. Carbon fiber roof, well, I have a carbon fiber roof. I was initially, you know, going to complete the MPerformance set, but like now I'm kind of like hesitant. It's just really my OCD, guys. If I buy, let's say, an RKP winglet, then everything should be RKP. That's just how my brain works. So that's what I'll be doing, and hopefully, you know, I can do more vlogging in the future. Work is tight. We're busy, I guess, not tight. Just that's just how it is. And yeah, so talk to you guys later, and if you guys have any questions regarding my M2, I'll create another video about it. So later, bye guys.